In the wise words of Norman, love is the greatest weapon you can use to destroy a human being. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Tato Immaculate said that we should not ask her to explain anything about divorce because she's not even going to address it. She came to us and said she's married, and then she came back and said she is divorcing. Nothing more, nothing less. One thing about love is that it will break you to pieces. It will make you feel like you're mad. But what I've realized with this video that she uploaded is that there's so much anger, there's so much anger. I don't know if she's blaming herself, that people were talking about how people have warned her about the guy, how they met and everything. So it feels like she is in that stage of blaming herself that things didn't go well. And maybe she's just if she could just have listened to other people's advice, things could have gone right. One thing about relationship, Mujol, is that there's no formula, no manual. Sometimes you get married and then you die with that person. Sometimes you get married, you divorce after 3 months. So it's a very difficult thing to say that. As a woman, you should be explaining, and while you are still healing, you don't really need to give us the details and whatnot. Heal first and then you can talk about it, because if you talk about it while you are still hurt, I'm telling you, you're bound to make mistakes that might even jeopardize your career or even make people question your personality in general. But otherwise, so far I think she's handling it very well, and she should keep on doing that until she has healed enough. I still remember Owami of Owami Entertainment. Her divorce, she told us after a year later that she's divorcing, which was good because at that time she has come to terms with the fact that this person that once promised a lifetime is no longer part of my lifetime. You know what I mean? So I'm sad for her, and I just wish you will find her strength and keep it going to raise her child, and also get through this divorce without losing herself. Because one thing about breakups, I've never been in a marriage, but I've been in a like really a deep breakup. So one thing about it is that you will lose some part of you. You will lose and discover actually how much of the strength you have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.